Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make slime. First, you need a bowl. Second, you need glue. Third, you need a mixing spoon. And you. See, I already got slime from other way. First, you need some glue. So you can see. If it's sticky to you, just add some water. And then put some baking soda. And add some contact solution. And then you can turn whatever color. See, I just added brown. It actually looks like blue.
What was that? What was what? Congratulating your opponent? Chess is war, Rapunzel, and your opponent is the enemy. First rule of a game of chess is getting in your opponent's head. Now, give me your game.
If you have any more slime, you can mix it. And I'm not going to mix mine with my other one because it's nasty. And it'll look ugly. And I want it like brown. See, it came out. You can add like sparkles to it if you want to. Comment below if you like this slime.
I know we're better with pans, Pascal, but swords seem to be the weapon of choice outside the tower.
And then you will have to put it for the freezer for 5 minutes. Is done. Now you play with it and see if it snaps. Some people use glue and laundry soap, but it don't work. I made this slime out of it. My first slime. I made it and it didn't work, and I had to get rid of my YouTube channel. That one. Because it didn't work out. Comment below if you like this video. Put a thumbs up. Press the subscribe button. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.